So how to make your chai bot better? So if you go to leaderboard here, you can see some of the top bots out there. You can see some bots which other users created have like, 50, 100,000 conversations with them. And yeah, it's just using the same training. So why some bots are getting more engagement, others don't. So I would really advise you to look through all the stats and analytics. You can just really go through all these conversations and see what's going on here. Is it good or bad? Like, what is the quality? Also, when you add it in your bot, make sure to add as much information as possible. The more prompts you're adding, the better it is for AI model to train, especially here. Like enter facts, your bot will always remember. Just make sure to enter all of these 1024 characters. Enter from the conversation to shape new conversations. Enter all of information you have. The more you enter, the more fun and tweaker, like the better it is. Try to be a bit spicy. Try to be not boring. You can just add it. So something like that. Then if you go to chat, actually, you can also add friends, and then you can tweak and upgrade to ultra. So you need to upgrade to ultra. So there are different models here. GPT-J Elite 6B, where your bot will sound like a book, or FireSec 13 billion, which will need upgrade to ultra. So that's that. You can do that, and then your bot will just become better. So if you want to upgrade to ultra, that's $5.19 per week. It's not cheap, it's pretty expensive. But if you want to get a lot of engagement, that's what you can do. Also, you can just chat with your bot. So here, if you're chatting, here you can, for example, if you don't like this message, you can delete this, and then you can update your settings. Anyhow, I don't know why that is here, but you can train your bot basically just chatting with your bot. And then if you don't like some of the messages, you can rewind them, and then you can rate these messages. And if you rate them good, the bot, the model, will improve and send more messages like that and all of that. So the more you chat, the more you rate your messages, the better it is. Also, if you engage in previous conversations, see how other users are doing these conversations. You can also upgrade to ultra. Yeah, and this is just like work, it's not like there is no easy advice. But yeah, try to make your bot spicy, not boring, and follow all of this advice.